Retirement is a time to put your worries aside and relax. One thing that helps, knowing you'll have medical coverage in the form of Medicare. But traditional Medicare doesn't cover all your costs. For example, you'll be responsible for 20% of the cost of doctor visits. And that's where things like Medicare supplemental policies, also known as Medigap policies, come in. There are different types of policies that cover different things, each identified by a letter. The most popular, because it covers the most, is F, followed by G. However, F plans, along with C plans, will be closed to new enrollees starting in 2020. Look confusing? It is. But there are online tools at Medicare.gov that will show you the policies available in your area along with cost. You can search generically or you can customize the search for your specific needs. Now, once you know the category of coverage you want, you shop these policies like you would any insurance policy. You check on prices. You check the financial strength of the insurer. You might also check for complaints. Now, that's your 90-second look at Medigap coverage, but there's a lot more to know. You want more information and links? No problem. Just go to moneytalksnews.com and do a search for Medicare. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson.